Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. I'm going to show you how to take out the cabin air filter on a 2005 till 2010 Honda Odyssey. I'm gonna try to make this video quick. What you have to do is remove this little cover right here. You can just take it out like that. This little thing will come out. Now what you have to do is take out this little thing right here that's holding it. So with a flathead screwdriver, you can just put it there here, like this, and this should come out. And the same way goes for this one. This one I find it easy. You can push here, and it pops out, and then you can also remove it the same way like that. Then this will come down, and your cabin air filter is right here. You can press here, press here, and it comes out. And just put the new one back in, and put it back here. And just follow the same instructions backwards to reinstall everything back. So, alright guys, this was just a quick video showing you how to do it. If it's helpful for you, please like, comment, subscribe. So alright guys, this was just a quick video to show you how to do it. If it helped you, please give a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for everything. As always, peace.